Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sync Outlook calendar with Android. So first thing you have to do is open up your Outlook app, and if you don't have the app, you can simply go to your Play Store or Apple Store and install the app. So once you install the app, you click on this at the left side corner of your phone and click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see this. You look down and you're going to see a certain icon right there. You click on it and scroll down till you see calendar. Click on calendar right here and you click sync calendars. Pretty simple to locate, and click on that, and you're going to have this message which says allow Outlook to access your calendar. Click on allow and it's going to turn on automatically. So you can now set your date, your meetings with Outlook calendar. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.